we'll guide you through how to import nodes in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To import nodes in Blender, begin by opening Blender and loading your project file. Once your project is open, switch to the appropriate workspace where nodes are used, such as the Geometry Nodes workspace, so you can access the correct tools. After that, make sure you have an object selected, especially if you are working with shader nodes or geometry nodes, because nodes usually require an active object to function properly. Next, open the Node Editor panel so you can view and manage node setups directly. At the top menu of the Node Editor, click on the File option to access file-related actions. From the drop-down menu, select Append if you want to import nodes from another .blend file. This option allows you to bring in specific data without replacing your current project. Then, navigate to the folder that contains the external .blend file you want to use. Once you find it, click on the .blend file to open its internal data structure, which displays different types of data stored inside the file. Look for a folder named Node Tree or Node Group within the file, as this is where node groups are stored. Open that folder to see a list of available node groups. From the list, select the node group you want to import into your project. After selecting it, click Append to bring the chosen node group into your current project file. Back in the Node Editor, press Shift+A to open the Add menu, which allows you to add new nodes. Then go to the Group category to find grouped nodes. In this category, locate the imported node group in the list. Click on it to add the node group into your node setup. After placing it, connect the imported node group to your existing nodes as needed to integrate it into your workflow. Finally, save your project to ensure the imported nodes are stored for future use. To keep your scene organized, you can rename the imported node group and adjust its parameters as required. This helps you understand its function and reuse it more easily in other projects. You may also repeat the same process whenever you need to import additional node groups from different files in Blender for more complex setups and flexibility.